What's up YouTube? Welcome to Code with Lakshit. So in this tutorial we will do a project which is based on web scraping. Let me show you what we will do. So guys, in this video I will tell you how you can extract these data from the real estate website. Here you can see here is the price of the house, here is the address of the house, and here is the description for the house. So I will show you how you can extract these data. Okay, so let's begin. I will do this in my Jupyter notebook. So let me just create a new folder. Let me open Jupyter notebook here. CMD Jupyter notebook. Here you can see. Let's create the Python file. Let's name it real estate. Now for web scraping, if you have watched the previous video which is on the basics of web scraping, you will know that we have imported here the request library and beautiful soap. So I will recommend you to watch that first before doing this project. So now let's import requests. Now from bs4 import beautiful soap. S beautiful SOUP. Okay, now guys, let me show you where I will extract the data. So this is a website housing.com, and from here I will extract this data, the price and the description and this address. Okay, I will show you how we will do. For that, let's create a variable r, and here let request the HTML code of this website. Request.get, and then connect content equals to r dot content, and let's print the content. Here you can see we get the HTML code of the website. Now guys, let's make this code more beautiful. For that we will use beautiful soap, BEAUTI, full soap, and here we will pass this connection and content, sorry, HTML dot parser. Okay, and let's print this. Let's see what we got. Not like this, sorry for that. Print soap dot prettify. Here you can see it has been organized. The code has been organized. Now let me just put these codes in one line. Remove it, I don't need it yet. Remove this also, and now let's extract these data from here. First let's extract this price. So for that we need the HTML code. So go to this inspect, right click, and here you will see the div tag and the class of this price. So we want to extract this. How can we do that? So let's create a variable. Let's name it all equals to so dot find all, and here we have to first put the class. Where's that gone? Here Here you can see we have to first put the tag here which we want to find, which is div, and then we want the in this dictionary we have to put the class and then the class code. Here you can see it's the class code. Copy it and paste it here. Now let's see if it's working fine, and to make it more beautiful put here text. Okay, we got an error. Okay guys, I found the error. The error is that here you can see there are multiple values, and here we have, if we do like text, it will take only one value, and which is error because we want all the values. For that we want a for loop. Okay, so for I in all, print I dot text. If we do like this, we will get the text value of this. Okay, like this. And one more thing you can notice that there are some other values. Here you can see if we do like this, there are many houses, but let's take this to this value only. For that we have to put the index 0 to 9. Here you can see we get the value of this. Let's do it for others also, for this address and for this description. Right click, and here you can see it's an a tag, and the class is this. Okay, here let's name it add equals to shop dot find all, then name of the tag, it's a tag, comma, then you have to specify the class, then the class is this. Let's copy it and let's paste the class here. Here you can see, and now we want both the values. For that what we can do is use a zip variable. Let me just, here I have to put j, and here I have to put a zip method which is used to iterate through multiple lists. Here I have add, and I want the value from 0 to 9, and let's print this. Print j dot text. We will get the address here. Now let's do the same for the description. Let's copy it and make it des find all, and go to this, and we want a description. Let's go to description tag here and inspect. It's a spam tag. Let's change to spam. I think it's span, not spam. Where's that gone? Here, yes, it's span. And then class, what's the class? Let's copy the class here and remove it from here and paste the class. Now let's pass this also here, des, then 0 to 9. Oops, we have not printed it yet, and we have not also passed the value here from k dot ext. Okay, what's happened?